Hello guys, it's been a while. Welcome back to my channel. Let's make stir-fry pasta for my family's lunch today. My family loves to eat spaghetti, so I try to prepare it in so many different ways. Let's get started. Into a hot wok, pour in about 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. Allow to heat up a bit, then add plain chicken breast cut into strips. Fry it at intervals until it is brown and cooked. Add about half teaspoon of Oriental fried spice, half cup of whole chopped sausages. Stir it very well. Add 1 tablespoon of roughly crushed Scotch bonnet pepper at a rodent. Stir and let it fry until the sausages have browned. Add 2 stock cubes. Add some sliced green and red pepper, about 1 cup. Then add 2 cups of sliced carrots. Stir very well, letting the vegetables saute in the wok. Now we add our sauce. This is a mix of 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Add about half cup of pasta liquid. Stir and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Then add the already cooked spaghetti. Mix everything in very well. Notice that I didn't add salt. This is because I cooked this pasta in a well salted water, and I've added some of the pasta water to the dish. Also, the soy sauce contains salt. Only add salt if you like your meals a bit salty. Make sure to check before adding salt to the dish. Now add some roughly sliced cabbage. Stir in and the cream is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video when I upload. Thank you for watching today, and there you have it, a delicious stir-fry pasta ready for my family to enjoy. See you next time. Bye.